Okay, we're gonna read this question together as a whole group, and then I'm gonna ask you a question about it. Kingston's class took a trip to the zoo. He collected data about his favorite African animals. He saw 2 lions, 11 gorillas, and 7 zebras. What does his table look like? So I want you to make a graph or a table showing your data. Your 2 lions, 11 gorillas, and your 7 zebras. A graph or a table. How you would organize your data. The information that I just gave you. This is a 2. And this is an 11. And a 7. Is that better?
I know that in second grade we're going to be learning about pseudographs.
How are we doing on the graphs? Everybody got it? Oh, good. Would your graph have a table? Will we use a table, some kind of table or outline for our graphs? How would you organize, if you had 2 lions, 11 gorillas, and 7 zebras, how would you organize that? Haley?
With a graph.
What kind of graph? Would you label each animal?
Yeah.
Okay, so you would take, you would have your lion. We'll just add lion. And then, how many lions? Haley? How many lions? 2 lions. What would we do with our gorillas?
11 gorillas. And then you would, and then you make each section, 3 sections cut for each animal, and then put tally marks. How many tally marks is there in what animal?
Okay, so you would tally them up. So the zebras would go where? You want each one to have an individual category?
Yeah.
Because they're their own separate set of data. We had 7 zebras. And you said, what would you do with it? You said you'd use tally marks to add them up?
I did too.
So I would tally this. I could either do it this way. You can make a chart. Or I could either write the number out or I could tally. 1, 2. Lily, do you want to tally the gorillas out for me? Good.
So Lily has two different ways she can keep track of her data and organize her data. She can either write it out as the number of gorillas, which was 11, or she can do tally marks. She can tally it up, which she did right there. And Zane, can you tally up the zebras? I mean, how many zebras I got? Do you know what a zebra is? So can you see how easy this is to keep track of all your animals? Can you see how easy that is to organize your data and write, now I want you to write a question for me. I want you to write a question to your partner or someone at your table, but write it on your paper and you're gonna share it with a partner. Let's see. Okay, I want you to ask someone at your table in a question, what can you tell me about data and organization? Organizing our data with a graph. I want you to write it out and ask one of your classmates near you.